Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make one of these my favorite thing, that is garlic cheese bread. We need only 4 things. Now let's see the ingredients. The ingredients we need are bread and butter and cheese and also mashed garlic. First we will put 1 tablespoon of butter in garlic. First we will microwave this for 10 seconds. Melt it. Now we will make. Paste is ready. Now we will need 2 slices. Now I will put paste on them. Now I will put mozzarella cheese. Now I will put oregano and basil. These are optional. Done. We will bake them. Now we will start the oven. After 5 minutes, we will put cheese slice in oven. And close. Now let's try it. It's super crispy and super yummy and cheesy too. I hope you like my recipe. Now bye bye.